What's up, guys? Looney Boy here, and today we're going to be playing Madden Mobile. And as you see, my team has improved a little since last time you watched me. So let me play this drill. If you hear anything in the background, I'm sorry. So let me get that out. And let's throw it up to Jared Cook. That was good. Let's throw it to... Well, that was a very dangerous throw. So let's just do a short pass. Dropping back. Jared Cook. How could you? And every time after the snap, after someone drops it or something, seems like the football's possessed. And we're gonna throw it to John Coon. Go John. Go Coon. Oh man. Coon's got more speed than I thought. So let's do another long pass up to Gronkowski. Okay. Seems that I'm almost out of stamina, so I'll leave it here. So don't forget to like. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Looney Boy out.